All right, in this video we're going to talk about how to remove an element from a Python list using the index, so the position. There's two basic ways to do this. You can use the del operator, and you just do del items. So we have a list of items here, which are the letters of the alphabet, and you want the second item, which is actually the third one on the list. It's position 2. You start with 0. So then if you print it out, sure enough, C, which was in position 2, is gone. Now, the second way to do this, and I think this is a little more robust, is to use pop. Pop returns the item and then removes it. And so if you need to do something with it, you can pop it out, and then the old list has it removed. So right here, we're going to pop out position number 2, which is now D. You see right here, 0, 1, 2, and sure enough, it pops D out. Now, if you don't put a parameter in there, it pops the last item of the list, which is nice because then you can just iterate through popping them off and then doing something with it. And you see right here, the item to process that got popped off is I, so I do something with that. And then you have a remaining list which has the I missing. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to this channel if you hadn't. Smash that like button so I can help more people, and I'll see you in the next one.